Hello everybody, and welcome to part 6 of the complete HTML course. Today we will be learning about comments, line breaks and spaces. When our page is growing with content, it can become difficult to read. Luckily we can use comments. Comments start like this, and end with this. Everything in between will be read as a comment and will not be visible on the web page. As you can see, our comment is not visible. Now, let's use the comments to easily see which list is an ordered list, and which one is an unordered list. It is also possible to comment multiple lines. Everything after the opening part will be read as a comment by HTML until we close it. As you can see, the headers disappeared. Let's uncomment the header elements and put also comments above the headers and paragraph. Let's talk about line breaks. First let's create another sentence in our paragraph. It's good practice to put the text on a different line than the paragraph tags are on, if it consists of multiple lines. This is for readability. Now, let's check it out. You can see that the two sentences are on the same line. This is because HTML ignores line breaks. To insert a line break, we use the break tag, like this. Let's use another break tag. Okay, let's talk about spaces. We know that we can type in the spacebar for a space character. But what if we want multiple spaces? More than one space will be ignored by HTML. If we want multiple space we can use HTML entity. Like this. This is a non-breaking space and is read as one space character. There are more HTML entities, but we will talk about that later in this course. For now, this is enough. Let's add 2 more spaces. Nice, you do now know how to add comments, insert line breaks, and add multiple spaces. And until next time. And don't forget, code every day. Only then you will learn the coder's way.